Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought this great DIY for you guys, a beautiful flower bouquet out of clay. So without wasting time, let's get started. For this purpose, I'm gonna take first of all a brown color clay to make the base of the sunflowers. For this purpose, just place a ball of a brown clay and roll it with your rolling palette. Cut small pieces in equal parts like this. I will make 4 flowers, so I have cut it 4 pieces. If you want more than 4 flowers, so you can cut more than 4 pieces. Roll them with your hands and make a small ball, then press them with your rolling palette like this. Make sure do not press too much. This should be the thickness of your circles. Now peel off them from your palette and place on the surface one by one like this. For the petals of the sunflower, I'm gonna take yellow clay and roll it with your rolling palette. Start cutting into small pieces of equal size. These will be our petals. Roll them with your hands to make a small ball. Take one ball and stick one by one on the edges of the brown area of the clay. After sticking the balls, press them with a tool knife to give the texture of the sunflower petal. Draw the basket texture on the brown area. Now I am having this waste paper ball. You can also use a ball of clay instead of this paper ball. To cover this paper ball, I am gonna use green clay. What you have to do with the green clay? Simply press it with your rolling palette like this, peel it off and then place it on the paper ball to cover the whole paper ball along with the clay. If you don't want to cover the paper ball with the clay, so you can also use simply green paper for this purpose. But I have placed the clay on the paper ball because of the flowers. The flowers will be stick easily. Now to make the boundary of the flower bouquet, I am gonna take the black clay. Press it with your rolling palette. Make sure that the layer of the clay should be very thin and then cut the edges with the help of a scale. You can also use tool knife instead of the scale. Give it a rectangular shape and then fold it like a bouquet sheet and place it on the side like this. This will be the look. Now again I'm gonna take black clay and roll it with your hands and then press it with the rolling palette. Again make sure that the layer should be very thin because we are going to make the base. Here I am having a paper roll. This is very simple to make. Just roll the paper and stick together. Now apply glue gun on the bottom of the roll paper and place it on the bottom. Now take the rolled black clay, cut the edges with the help of a scale. Give it a rectangular shape. Now start pasting the pieces of the clay on the bottom of the flower bouquet. And now we are gonna cover the leftover part, which is the paper roll with the black clay. It's up to you. If you don't want to apply the black clay, so you can simply use the black paper. But if you want to make the flower bouquet out of clay, so you can use this technique. Cut the excess area of the clay and set aside. Now we will make a bow out of clay, and for the bow, I will use the pink color clay. This step is very simple and very interesting. Until I am rolling or pressing the clay, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. Make a little bit thick and little bit thin layer of the clay and then fold from the one side and the other side also with the same process. Cut the extra part of the clay with the help of a scale, or you can also use tool knife, and then fold also like the previous one side. Press with your fingertips and now give it a bow shape like this. Compress the bow from the center with your hands. This will be the look after compressing it from the center, and now we are going to make the center ribbon to cover the center of the bow. I think that this step is very easy, so there is no need of explanation for this step. This is a very simple and great technique to make the bow out of clay, and the flower bouquet is almost done. I hope you guys like the video. Do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. Let's meet in another video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.